So this is question number 47, so from 2022 JAM Maths paper. So this yx is the solution of this differential equation satisfying y pi by 2 is equal to 0. So x at x pi by 2, y equal to this x equal to pi by 2, y the value of y is 0. So to find the value of y 5 pi by 2, what will be is the value of y at x equal to 5 pi by 2. So to find. So we can rewrite the differential equation in this form: plus y cube sin x by x, right? So we also have this initial condition y of pi by 2 equal to 0. So if we multiply both sides by 3 and divide by x, what it will be? So 3y square dy dx plus y cube 3y cube by x equal to sin x by x square, right? So we can write this as, so d of y cube dx plus 3y cube x y cube by x sine of x by x square. Now if we want to find the integrating factor, so if is, okay, e to the power 3 by x dx, which is e to the power 3 ln x, so it will be x cube, right? So we can write this x cube y as, so x cube y, the sine of x square, sine x by x square is there, so integration 3 x cube sine x, right? So this 3x cube sine x by x square dx plus c. Okay, so x square x cube will cancel out, so x will be there. So if we do the integration over here, what it will do? So it will be 3 integration of x minus cos x minus of integral of x is 1 again minus of cos x, okay, put it here. And it will be x minus x, and this will be this. So dx plus c, right? So we can write this in this form, that x cube y, it will be 3 of sin x, okay, minus x cos x plus c. Okay. So we have all the initial condition that says that at y equal to pi, x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 0. So it will be 0 equal to 3, pi by 2 is 1 minus 0 plus c. So c will be minus 3, right? So if we write this equation, so y square, so if we do this over here, so if you put y over here and x cube, that is x cube, we are dividing the right hand side by x cube, this one. So x cube, so it will be sin x minus x cos x minus of 3 . minus of 3 by x square, right? So if we put, now we have to find the value of y at, you can do this, y at 5 pi by 2, right? So it is 3 5 pi by 2 whole cube. Okay. So sine of 5 pi by 2, so it is will be sine pi by 2, that is 1, and cos of pi by 2 is 0, so x of this cos x, it will be 0, and it will be minus 3 of 5 pi by 2 cube. So from here you can see that both this term will cancel out. Okay. So this plus so this is plus and this is minus, so it will be 0. So the value of y of x at 5 pi by 2 is equal to 0. So our answer will be value of this 5 pi by 2, it will be 0. Okay. So question number 48. So we have to find the, consider the region G of xyz belong to this R3, where z is the value of 0 to x square minus y square and x square minus y square is less than or is a circle. So to find the volume of the G. Okay. So first of all we will do that, write V is equal to this, to find the volume integral. So for this it will be dz, dy and dx, right? So we have the value of z. So what is this? From 0 to x square minus y square. So we can put it over as z equal to 0 to x square minus y square, right? So what will be the V now? So it will be double integral x square minus y square dy dx, right? Now we have this x square plus y square is less than 1. So what's x square plus y square is less than 1. So you can say we have a circle with this x square. So in case of a circle, we can consider this x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, right? If we now put the same over here, so what we will find here, so this integral r square will be common, cos square theta minus sin square theta r dr d theta. Okay, we can also write it as r theta r cube cos square theta minus sin square theta dr d theta, right? So now take it as this r cube dr and this as cos square cos 2 theta, right? Cos 2 theta d theta. So for r, the r value of r, how we will determine the value of r? So r is from 0 to 1, we can say that. So if this is a circle, its origin, and this is radius is 1, so we can say the r value ranges from 0 to 1. Now we have to find the integral range, that is the limit for this second integral. So we will do so at z equal to 0, how to find the lower limit and the upper limit? For z equal to 0, because we told that z is greater than 0. So at z equal to 0, x square is equal to y square, right? Or we can write in this way that x is equal to plus minus y. So what this states? So in the xy plane, suppose this is a xy plane. Suppose this is an xy plane. So at z equal to 0, okay, so it will, this curve, what is the curve? This x square minus y square, it will cut the axis, y axis, at x equal to plus y and x equal to minus y. Okay, so this is the, at 2 points, this x equal to y and x equal to minus 1. So this is for z equal to minimum. Now if we want to find the, what is the, this is the upper limit, so we have to find the, now we can also do from here. So suppose is x equal to y, now we have to find how is this. So suppose x equal to y, so if we do dy dx, okay, so that will be equal to 1 equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to pi by 4, one of the value for x equal to y, and x equal to minus y. So dy dx equal to minus 1. So in our case theta, so in this case theta, what will be the value of the theta? Minus pi by 4. So we have find the range of the theta. Now when x square plus y square is equal to 1, we have this. Now if we find the 2 points, the maximum value of the curve, so the maximum value of the curve will be at y equal to 0. So at y equal to 0, we will get the maximum value of the curve. So x square is equal to 1. So from here we can see that x is equal to plus minus 1. So if we consider this axis, suppose y x, so y x, and this is also minus x and this is minus y. Okay, so here you can see that 2 points will be there. The maximum value will be at minus 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. So this will be at the maximum point. The curve will have a maximum on this axis. So 1 comma 0 for x is equal to positive, and here for equal to x equal to negative. So we have to find the area. Okay, so it will look like this, in this manner you can see. Okay, I have just this. So it will look like in this manner. So just so this is 1 comma 0 and this is minus 1. So in the integral we are observing for this area, okay, for the 1/2 of this area. So if we consider also the minus, this for minus 1 also, so what we will do in the integration, so this integration will remain the same. So here r equal to 0, so let me write it fresh. So the integral is, it will be r equal to 0 to 1 r cube dr, and theta we have known that theta is equal to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 cos of 2 theta d theta. Since we have this x equal to minus 1 maximum value, so the curve will look like this. We have to find the volume of both the sides. Okay, minus 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. So we will multiply it by 2. So what it will get? We will get 2 into multiplied by 1 by 4 and then it is sine theta, sine 2 theta by 2. Okay, so we can write this in this manner. So sine of 2 pi by 4, and it will be minus of sine 2 minus pi by 4. Okay, so that is the thing. So now it will be 2, it is already half. 2, 1 by 4, half is already there, and from here it will get the expression, it will be 2. So from this has been all cancelled, and 1 by 2 is 0.50. Okay. So what will be the value of the, so let's check the equation. It is 48 question number. So volume of the G is equal to, so we have to keep the round up to 2 decimal places. So volume of G will be 0.49 to 0.54.